Hello folks,
سلام دوستان،
I
امیدوارم
hope you're
حالتون خوب
having a
باشه.
great time.
خب توی
In
این
this
اپیزود
episode,
میخوام یه نمونه
we're
دیگه
going to go
از
with another
ساخت
sample of
تبلیغات و
creating advertising
ادورتایزمنت
videos
با
using
سورا
Sora.
رو ببینیم. به این
It
صورت که
works like
شما میاد
this.
چیکار میکنید؟
First of
عکس
all, you need to
محصولتون رو
upload
آپلود
your
میکنید.
product picture.
اولی میزنیم
Click on upload
آپلود
image
ایمیج
or
و
video. You send it there. For example, this is your product, right?
خب و بعد میایم یه
After that,
پرامپت
you just need
ساده
to
براش
type
مینویسیم.
a very simple
مثلا
prompt. For example,
display
display
the pine
the pine forest candle and a
soft
big background framed by pine
branches
and comes and natural elegant look. Advertising purposes.
اینم بهش بگیم ببینیم.
Also add that to see the result.
720 میذاریم، دو تا
Two variations, 5 seconds. Let's see what it does. Well, this is the final result. And it's absolutely great, isn't it? You see, it is great for times when you have a picture of your product and you just send it to there and then get the changes you want. Or for example, in the second shot, you can also explain a couple of things at the top of it, right?
برای کانوا ارسال کنید و اون تو شروع کنین ادیت کردن. واقعا خفنه. یعنی
you see, now we can go with Canva, download the video, create a design,
open folder.
I'm going to send it that. And need to edit it after that. Just open a blank sheet and just remove the video from there. Let's just add our own video first. We add the video. Very well. Let's just delete the second page. Well, this, for example, this part, let's add a text there. This is good. For example, this. Get yours, for example. Something like that. I'm trying to just get it done in a very short time. We can go with this. Yeah, this is not bad. It's good. Also another text. For example, 50% off. Let's make it red. Choose an animation for it. Well, we wanted to appear a bit late later. So well, so this is the final result. Let's see that. A simple thing, of course, something probably not that great, but it does convey what I mean by that. Of course, if you dedicate more time and more creativity, you can get better results. But just like that, using your own product image, you can create a video, an advertising video, which is very cool, and use it and then upload it on your social media. I hope you like this episode and you can create better videos using this Sora, using this AI. Have a very good day.